Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to use blur effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Firstly, you will enter a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, you will click on this icon and click on Effects. Go to Video Effects. Click on Blur and Sharpen. Now I will use Gaussian blur. Drag and drop this blur in this video. After that, go to source panel. So blurriness options is showing. Increase blurriness. So this video is blurring. Now I want to blur face only in the video. Now go to source panel. Here you can use different element like ellipse, rectangle and pen tool for selecting face, and select a tool like ellipse. You will adjust ellipse on the face. Then increase number of blurriness. Now in this video only face is blur. So in this way you can use blur tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.